Diets high in certain items, like meat and grains, and low in others, like potassium-rich vegetables and fruits, can induce VAV imbalances in the blood, which can result in several health issues. The alkaline diet is occasionally referred to as the acid-ash diet because of the acid-ash hypothesis. The majority of alkaline-forming foods can be regarded as superfoods due to their nutrient density, as well as the fact that they can assist our bodies in maintaining a healthy pH balance. We can successfully combat the acid that we consume from things like caffeine, alcohol, and some processed foods by eating items that promote alkalinity. Foods that produce the most alkaline are frequently plant-based and offer a wide range of therapeutic benefits. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 7 alkaline foods you must have in your daily diet. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. Now let's begin. 1. Spinach. Spinach is one of the most popular leafy greens. It has a high alkaline content. There is a significant amount of chlorophyll present, which has an alkalizing effect. Vitamins F, C, E, B2, and K are abundant in this leafy green. Additionally, it includes minerals including calcium, magnesium, manganese, potassium, iron, and folate. Your body is greatly alkalized by these minerals. Additionally, spinach has a healthy quantity of dietary fiber, carotenoids, and flavonoids. As soon as possible, you should begin including spinach in your daily diet since it can help you combat anemia, build muscle, and have better heart health. 2. Tomatoes. Tomatoes have many vitamins, both raw and uncooked, although they are most alkaline when they are uncooked. They are a fantastic source of vitamin C, digestive enzymes, and vitamin B6, which is frequently hard to come by. Sliced tomatoes can be added to your favorite salad or omelette, or eaten as a snack with a pinch of pink sea salt. 3. Seaweed and sea salt. The mineral content of seaweed or sea veggies increased 10 to 12 times compared to those produced on land. They are also regarded as highly alkaline food sources and are understood to have several advantageous effects on the body. You may prepare sushi at home or add nori or kelp to your bowl of soup or stir-fry. Or simply season your salads, soups, omelettes, and the like with sea salt. 4. Cucumber. Cucumbers largely contain water. But did you know that they have high alkaline content and can assist your body in swiftly neutralizing acids? In addition, cucumbers are incredibly nourishing. They are a fantastic source of vitamins C, K, and B. Your body will receive a healthy amount of amino acids, copper, carbs, potassium, soluble and insoluble fiber, magnesium, silica, biotin, phosphorus, and manganese if you consume cucumbers daily. 5. Lemon. One of the meals that are known to be the most alkalizing is without a doubt lemons. They help with digestion, support the liver in removing toxins from the body, and are great for a healthy detox. Including a glass of lemon water in your morning routine is an excellent way to ensure that you feel amazing all day long. 6. Red onion. The level of alkalinity of onions may be increased by lightly frying them in a small amount of good oil, but eating them raw is also a great option because onions have many nutritional advantages in addition to being alkaline-forming. Vitamin C-rich onions have been found to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. 7. Bell peppers. You may add bell peppers to your pasta, pizza, or salad, and they will all taste delicious. But what's amazing is how alkaline bell peppers naturally are. They change acidic foods and increase your body's alkaline levels. If you're wondering what these peppers are made of, They are a potent source of the vitamins A, B6, C, K, and E. They also include a lot of flavonoids, iron, manganese, potassium, copper, manganese, and folate. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any alkaline foods that you feel should be included in our daily diet, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.